Kangen water process. Tap water containing chlorine, iron, fluoride, mercury, lead, rust, agri pollution goes through the internal filter. It will get rid of chlorine and all the impurities. It comes out as purified water, then it proceeds to the electrolysis chambers. The water is then ionized through an electrolysis process, then giving out either Kangen water or acidic water. This is a graphic illustration of Kangen water machine. Tap water goes through a high-grade filter which will eliminate odor and impurities, after which it goes into an electrolysis chamber. At this stage, the water is electrolyzed and split into acidic and alkaline water. The level of alkalinity and acidity will be determined by the user. There are 5 types of water. 1. Water with pH 8.5, 9.0 and 9.5. 2. Clean water with pH 7.0. 3. Beauty water with pH 5.5. 4. Acid water with pH 2.5. And 5. Strong Kangen water with pH 11.0. The history of Kangen water. It was initially developed for agricultural purposes and adapted by doctors. It slowly developed to be a medical device in Japan in 1965. More than 3 decades of clinical studies have shown that the electrolyzed water enhances healing power of the human body, and it is also eco-friendly. By the mid-1990s, Kangen water and its benefits began to be recognized in the public, and the technological advancement enabled various companies in Japan to develop smaller units for home. Clinical uses of Kangen water in hospital treatment. In Japan, there are now hundreds of hospitals and clinics using Kangen water as a part of the medical practices. The founder and president, Mr. Hironari Oshiro. Mr. Hironari Oshiro started his Kangen water in Okinawa. He expanded energy beyond the confines of his small home island. Having captured the ionizer market aggressively in the 1970s, Mr. Oshiro first ventured to Tokyo and Osaka, bringing Kangen water to the mainland of Japan. In only a few years, hundreds of thousands of households, restaurants, clinics, and even hospitals embraced the healthy benefits of alkaline water. He said, the essential aspect of energy is one of providing for others. Whether we provide good Kangen water for their health or the tremendous business opportunity to elevate their worries amid these troubled economies, or even for peace of mind that comes with truly actualizing their true health, we are carrying out our mission. Energy incorporation, domestic and global expansions since 1974. It was established in 1974 in Japan, sold machines for hospitals use. In 1994, domestic Kangen water machine sold more than 450,000 units. In the year 2003, soft launched in the United States of America. In the year 2005, set up office in Hong Kong and Taiwan. In the year 2007, set up office in Vancouver, Canada. In the year 2008, expanded to European office in Düsseldorf, Germany. In the year 2009, expanded to Mexico. In the year 2010, expanded to Sydney, Philippines, Italy, and Korea, and soon in Singapore, Malaysia, and other countries. Here are some of the Japanese hospitals that use Kangen water. They are Kyowa Hospital, Kitari Institute of Medical Center, Showa University Hospital, Kanto Tanshin Hospital, Meiseki Hospital, Nara College Medicine Hospital, Lida Hospital, Tokyo Women's College of Medicine Hospital, Hanaba Take Hospital, and many others. Energy Inc. has been given much accord in Japan. Number 1. Medical Device Marketing Authorization by Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, Government of Japan, or the Japanese FDA. Currently, Energy electrolyzed Kangen water is the only type of water formally recognized by the FDA of Japan. Number 2. Approval by the Japanese Association of Preventive Medicine for Adult Disease. Japanese Association of Preventive Medicine for Adult Disease is a non-profit organization with its over 6,600 medical professional members. This association recommends only one product in the world in each field. Its aim is to educate and promote health awareness of the general public. Only 50 products out of a total of 50 companies have been approved by the association in 20 years. Energic is the 49th product to be formally recognized. Energic has received many awards and recognitions. The Gold Seal certification from WQA. WQA is the international mark of product quality and is recognized around the world as the leading certification of water excellence. The Gold certification from WQA is awarded to the most reliable and trusted producers of quality drinking water. ISO Awards. Energic has received 3 ISO awards for quality management, environment management, and management systems, certificate of medical device, and manufacturing license of medical device by Osaka Prefecture. But the 2 important recognitions that are not easily attained are: 1. Diagnostic Veritas ISO 13485 in 2003, and 2. Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare certification as medical device. The Kangen Water Factory. The Levelup SD501 Kangen water machine is made in Japan by Energy Company Limited. The factory is located in Katano City, a small merchant town outside Osaka, Japan. Instead of performing the same task over and over on a production line, each experienced assembly operator is responsible for putting together an entire unit from start to finish. This way, the company can guarantee the quality of all their products. One of the most important parts of the production process is the assembly of the electrolysis chambers. This meticulous work is all performed by hand, and then the finished electrolysis chambers are individually and critically inspected, as it is expected of a medical certified manufacturer. All the steps of the manufacturing process are done in this factory. This includes the production of parts for all the water ionizer machines, from the vital electrode plates right down to the small metal components. By making everything in-house, Energic can maintain the high quality that the company demands and ensure that every SD501 machine will last for many years to come. In an environment as clean as that, for producing food or medicine, each water ionizer is carefully put together. High-tech robots are used to perform some task. Then every unit is painstakingly inspected by human eyes and hands. Inspections are carried out at every stage of production. Checks are done on items such as the LCD display, the electrical circuits, and the chlorine removers. An experienced inspector will check the water flow from every unit and its pH values. So don't be surprised to find a little alkaline water already in your SD501 machines when it arrives. This shows it was tested in the factory.